Hey y'all, so I got what's this called? Here, Bronco LED Mirror Logo Puddle lights. The ones I got will look like that on the ground. This is the, well, it ain't gonna come apart from here, but there it goes. These are the puddle lights. They go up on it. They give me a little screwdriver there to install them. It's quick and simple. That's all it is. It goes up underneath your mirror. Two lights to connect, or connections, the wires to connect it. Passenger and driver's side. They also, this is kind of funny. This came in the packing. They sent me a Swedish fish, and if I can get that off of there, you can read what it says. It's just kind of funny. On the other side, and then they also sent me a couple of smell goods for inside the Bronco. Get a picture of a Bronco on them. Anyway, so we'll see how it comes out. Get it put together. With that and that one. And then there should be, yep, there's a little tool. After they're installed, you can turn it so that you can have it any way you want it outside your Bronco. Anyway, I'll get it installed here, and then tonight get a final picture of what it looks like. Okay, so we're replacing that guy right there on the mirror, and they've got a video telling you how to do it. There's a notch right there, and you'll basically just pry it down. I'm sure you got a pucker or something. There's a little catch right there, but well, I ain't going to do this one-handed, am I? But pop that out. Let me hit pause, and we'll get it popped out. So I got it popped, but I had to use, they provided a little screwdriver, but I got one with a little bit more of a blade to pop it out of the toolbox. And that thing is supposed to just pull right out of there. You disconnect those, which I don't know if I can do it one-handed, but pull that apart. Yep, okay, so, and it doesn't matter which wire goes in which side. Yeah, it's not an issue. Put that back, shove that back up in the mirror. I'll have to bear with me because you know I'm doing this one hand, but that pops in there. Oh. Anyway. Yeah, there it goes. There. Snap. So that's all there is to it. It's quick and easy. They are specific drivers and passenger side, so make sure you put the right one in the right spot. That kind of stuff. Tonight we'll get a picture of them, see what they look like on the ground. Okay, it's dark. Get the lights on from the garage, but still give it a little look. That looks pretty good, doesn't it? That comes from the mirror, from up under there. That really looks good. Yep. Both sides. Yeah. That's worth $100. Oh well, I hope y'all liked that video. As usual, comment, ask questions, hate, like, all that neat stuff. Y'all take it easy out there.